Yeah. Money, youth. Money.
Money.
What can you do?
Money pan tree, you know. Only country to bear money pan trees, Canada. Yeah, man. Cherry season, you talk about money. Money, youth. Watch. Money, man. Watch. We have a basket of money. Billions of dollars, my people. Billions of dollars, man. Rich out people. All a big bunch, you know. You just rest it on your bucket. Because, tell you what I go on. The boss, I like when the cherry on the ground. Better in the basket, even if it's stemless. Go to the factory, you grade it, you can sell them stemless. They just rest all a big bunch like this. You know? And you just pick it. See how easy you just flip it. Flip it. Everything. By the time I take up this off of the basket full. Yeah man, I'm going to heal up Daffa out of Maypen. Yeah man, the biggest cabinet maker in a Maypen. Daffa, big up yourself. Yeah man, Jerome. Alex, if you do that, you hear? Big up yourself. Daffa. So I go on my people. Yeah man, the only country that's grow money is on tree. It's Canada. Every farmer smile this year, you know? Lots of money. Look what I go on, man. Take a close up look, my people. You see it? Basket full of money. Billions of dollars in a basket, yes, sir. Yeah, this all in a factory later. Pay teeth the boss as a show, man. Happy, man. Feel a new feel, you know. First time I pick that feel, you know. And I want to tell you, saying gone over 300 bin. I just see you tree them small, I'm showing you what I go on. Go small, you tree them, but literally I touch it up by tree, you know. First time I feel I pick on over 300 bin. Telling you, you know, I move from the basket are full. One limb, you know. One limb. I'm a ton of billionaire. You see it? Yeah, man. Out there. Yes, my people. Welcome at the end of life. Yeah, man. Life in Canada. Jamaican farm worker. Yeah, so I want to ask you guys a bold question. Have you ever think about, or have you ever wonder what it is like being away from your family for like 6-8 months? Have you ever wonder what it is like, guys? Coming from me, farm worker, myself, it's not an easy feelings, guys. Knowing that you have your loved one, you have your family, and you have to do this for like 10 years straight. You get up every year and you're gonna leave them 6, 7, 8 months. Rough, my people. Even though them say if you want good, you know it's a for run, guys, right? Yeah, that's why I grew up come here, they must say. Yeah, if you want good, you know it's a for run, and you have to make a lot of sacrifice in life. Most people have make sacrifice, some serious sacrifice, so them can be able to be successful some time or at a point in their life. Yeah, so that's exactly what we are doing as farm worker in Canada and America. Yeah. So yeah. You know, tomorrow will be the first day of cherry picking for the season. Yeah, so there are my people. We'll prepare some strong food where we know we wake up a morning, we're ready. Know we prepare feed. So I turn my attention, I'm gonna see what I go on my people, you know. Yeah man, they bring on into the orchard. I'm gonna see everything. Yes, my people, another morning. Yes, guys, Man, this morning we have a brand new hairstyle, guys. Well, and some up this morning. So this morning, first morning of cherry picking, guys. So as you see, we're heading towards the bus. You know, we pick some cherry this morning. Yeah, man. So yeah, load up the bus, light on and thing already. Engine a chocolate up. All up a rocker. Yeah, man. So we're going to pick some cherry this morning. Yeah, man, boss need the fruits from the tree. So, soon as we reach the orchard, guys, we're going to see the whole happening, guys. Yeah, man. Yes. Heading in the cherry orchard, my people. Cherry pan tree. Cherries lapping. Yeah, man, ready to pick. Yes, my people, ready for the work this morning. Leaders are out.
Yes, my people.
Yeah, man. See it? So we out this morning. I have to bring my mask again because protect myself from the dust, you know? Yeah, man. Keep all dust out. Yes, my people, man. These trees are some young trees, my people, I don't understand. These are like 3 years old. Yeah, man, but we're nice beer in this year, you know, lots of fruits. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cherry. Yes, my people. Heading down with the escalator. Yeah. So yes, my people. Up and running, ready to pick some cherry this morning. Just to get my ladder and harness. I'm gonna pick some fruits. So yes, man, I don't have time to get busy with the people first. See? So I get busy with some basket and send over. Pull up the row of basket, you know, so I get busy and I'm with people. I get strapped up and things, so I'm gonna see what I go on. But with work, so you work, you know. You just hook that and just pick. Yeah, man, so I say work, you know. So I show you what I go on before work get started. See my people, first morning picking cherry, you know. Yeah, man, so we are going to drop some cherry this morning. Make the boss smile, you know. Yeah, man, so I say stay tuned, stick and stay. Alright, my people. Last time when I see the cherry, them look red. See them get them color, you know, ready for pick, you know. That's what it look like. So all a bunch, you know, you set your basket and you just start picking. No time is full, guys. There's always a bad sheep, my people. This little cherry tree decided to find himself amongst the good. Man gone fall knee under cherry frack. You see? Under cherry frack. Yeah, man, get down on the knee and pray to cherry. Big cherry a chance. One more chance, cherry. Yeah, man, another year. Picking money off a tree.
Come on, to make this dollar bill. Cherry it is. Yeah, man. Another year. Another dollar.
Yeah.
So the boss love see you go on, you know. Yeah, man. Finger them a move like a flash.
Cherry them fat.
Yeah, man. Well, slow see you move them way here.
Lapping cherry.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, there. That is it, huh? Work your way up here and go and go farm in the sun, you know? Yeah, man. That is it.
You just hook up. See it? Yeah, man. Well comfortable. It's just most time you feel a little pain here in the back. Cherry, man. Cherry.
That guy is drawing off a jelly bill.
Man and daddy.
Bless
Oh,
the people.
Cherry, brother.
Pasta!
No, what I mean?
Home time, me people. Outside, home time. Watch what go on. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
cherry with beers.
always.
You know, I'm a boss cherry trees up still, you know. I said you good, yeah. Come over here, yeah.
Yeah. So yes, my people, we complete a hard and rough day. Out picking cherry once more again in the orchard, guys. Obviously, my people, the Sunday that beat is so bad. But you know, a black man we name black man conquer anything, you know? Yeah, man. So, you do home now, my people. You do home. Amigo. Yeah. Yes, man. And we out here with Fox Alive.
One fox, man.
Yeah, man.
One fox of life.
Yes, man. One cuckoo, you know.
One Portland pig.
Yes, man.
So yeah, my people, remember, you know.
Yeah, man.
When we are head home. You see sun red out here.
Why if you never get a better cap?
Yeah, man. Day in the life of a farm worker. Watch here. So we have arctic saltfish and cabbage. Big pot of cornmeal dumpling. Corn. Irish potato. Watch where I go on. Another pot of cornmeal dumpling. So corn. Irish. Mackerel. Yeah. Another pot of so cornmeal dumpling. Corn. Farmer season up meat. Same way. You see me? So I go on. Big cornmeal dumpling. Watch where I go on again, yes, sir. Today's a dumpling day, my people. Today's a cornmeal dumpling day. Yeah, man. Ackee and saltfish, cabbage, dumpling, Hercules. Yes, my people. Yeah, you head off to work to pack some cherries. You see, we just done pick some cherry. So we head to the packing and now go pack some cherry, you know? Yeah,
Whole entourage.
stick and stay.
Double drop top.
Yeah, man, I beast, man. Watch your driver. I beast.
Yes, man. The beast in the east.
Yeah. Yes, my people.